Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone and Best. And today we're going to be taking a look at a Broan RMP17004. And the purpose of the video is I want to show you how to change the light bulbs out when a bulb goes bad. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do when trying to replace the light bulbs is to remove the aluminum grease filters, and you can do so. This is like a little push button, and you just kind of push it in and you'll pull the filter downward. Same thing with the other side. Both filters will come out. You can clean these filters in hot soapy Dawn dish detergent water. Next, what you're going to want to do is you have to take this grill off. To do that, what you need to do is there is a thumb screw on the left and a thumb screw on the right. You want to remove the thumb screws. So let me get these removed. You're going to want to hang on to the grill. Otherwise it'll fall once this screw is out. There it is. And the grill comes down. If you take a look, what you need to do, these are chrome rings. These chrome rings, basically you're just going to turn counterclockwise and the ring will come out. And what you can do, you can just basically take your thumbs and turn the bulb, or they make this nifty tool. It's a suction cup tool, and what you can do is just stick the suction cup on the bulb like so, turn a quarter of a turn, and pull the bulb out. And that's as simple as it gets for changing the bulb out. You would just reverse the procedure for putting a new one in. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.